Hey guys, welcome back. Now, what if I told you that you could whip up a restaurant quality dinner during the week in less than 30 minutes? Well, it's possible. Let me show you how. Let's get started. Start off this delectable recipe with 2 chicken breasts, sliced thin to make 4 fillets. Season the chicken with some salt and pepper. You're going to place these onto a hot skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and cook them all the way through until they're no longer pink in the middle. For those of you new to my channel, welcome. I post quick and easy recipes every single week. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. If you want your chicken to be cooked perfectly moist every single time, one secret I do is stick a thermometer inside the thickest part of the breast. Once it reaches 165, you'll know exactly when it's ready without having to guess. Remove the breast from the pan and add 1/2 cup of chicken broth along with 1 cup of heavy cream. A 1/2 cup of delicious Parmesan cheese is going in, and you're going to season this sauce with a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. Give this a mix on a medium-low heat until it starts to simmer and thicken. This sauce, it smells so heavenly right now, the nuttiness of the Parmesan and all of those herbs and spices. Lastly, finish this dish off with some sweet and tart sun-dried tomatoes and a cup of chopped up fresh spinach. Nestle the chicken back into the skillet and smother it in all of that cream sauce. This chicken skillet is to die for. I promise you guys that when you make this for dinner, everybody is gonna be super excited. There definitely will not be any leftovers. From the moist, juicy chicken to the rich and creamy sauce, it has layers of rich, pungent flavors from the sun-dried tomatoes to the delicate spinach and the saltiness of the Parmesan cheese. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.